How edge computing is powering the future of IoT. Welcome to our channel where we explore the technologies shaping our world. In today's video, we're diving into how edge computing is revolutionizing the Internet of Things, or IoT. If you've ever wondered how devices like smart thermostats, self-driving cars, or wearable health monitors make instant decisions, edge computing is at the heart of it all. This video will explain how edge computing works, how it supports IoT systems, and why it's becoming essential for everything from industry to everyday life. Before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future tech insights. Let's begin. 1. What is edge computing? Edge computing refers to processing data close to the source of generation, rather than relying on centralized cloud servers. In other words, data is analyzed locally, on the device or nearby edge servers, instead of traveling across networks to data centers. This reduces latency, saves bandwidth, and allows for real-time responses. Edge computing is particularly useful for applications that require immediate action and minimal delay. 2. The rise of the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things connects billions of physical devices to the Internet, enabling them to collect, send, and receive data. These devices include smart home systems, industrial sensors, healthcare wearables, connected vehicles, and more. With this growing ecosystem comes an explosion of data, and that's where edge computing comes into play. Traditional cloud solutions struggle to process such volumes of real-time data efficiently. 3. Why edge computing and IoT are inseparable. Edge computing enables IoT devices to operate faster and smarter. Instead of waiting for cloud processing, devices can analyze data instantly at the edge. This is crucial for time-sensitive applications like autonomous vehicles or remote patient monitoring, where even milliseconds matter. Edge computing also reduces dependence on stable internet connections, allowing IoT systems to remain functional even in remote areas. 4. Real-time decision-making. Imagine a self-driving car detecting an obstacle on the road. It cannot afford the delay of sending data to a cloud server, waiting for analysis and receiving instructions. Edge computing allows the car's onboard systems to analyze the data locally and make a split-second decision. This level of real-time processing is essential for safety and performance in many IoT applications. 5. Reducing bandwidth and storage requirement. IoT devices generate massive amounts of raw data. Sending all of it to cloud servers for processing and storage is not only costly but also inefficient. Edge computing filters and processes data at the local level, transmitting only the most important information to the cloud. This saves bandwidth, reduces cloud storage needs, and helps companies manage resources more effectively. 6. Enhancing privacy and security. With growing concerns about data privacy, edge computing offers a more secure solution. Sensitive data can be processed locally without ever leaving the device or local network. This reduces the risk of data breaches during transmission. Edge computing is especially beneficial in industries like healthcare and finance, where privacy is paramount. 7. Industrial IoT and smart manufacturing. Edge computing is transforming industrial environments by enabling predictive maintenance, quality control, and operational efficiency. Sensors on factory floors collect data about machine performance in real time. Edge devices analyze this data instantly to detect anomalies, reduce downtime, and improve productivity. This creates a more responsive and cost-effective manufacturing ecosystem. 8. Smart cities and infrastructure. Smart cities rely on edge computing to manage traffic lights, surveillance systems, energy grids, and environmental sensors. Local processing allows city systems to adapt to real-time conditions, such as changing traffic patterns or energy demand. Edge computing enables a smarter, more connected urban environment with better resource management and improved public services. 9. Healthcare innovations powered by edge computing. In healthcare, edge computing supports devices like remote monitors, wearable biosensors, and diagnostic tools. These devices collect critical health data and analyze it locally, enabling rapid alerts and immediate care decisions. Edge computing also supports hospital systems in managing patient data securely and efficiently, improving treatment outcomes and reducing strain on healthcare infrastructure. 10. The role of 5G in Edge and IoT integration. The rollout of 5G networks is accelerating the adoption of edge computing and IoT. 5G's low latency and high-speed capabilities enable faster data transmission between devices and edge servers. This creates new possibilities for mobile IoT applications like connected vehicles, smart drones, and real-time augmented reality experiences. Edge computing and 5G together will redefine what's possible in the world of connected technology. 11. Overcoming challenges with edge computing. Despite its benefits, edge computing presents challenges. It requires investment in local infrastructure, such as micro data centers and edge-compatible hardware. Device management, software updates, and standardization are ongoing issues. Companies must also address security protocols and data governance to build trust and reliability into their edge systems. 12. The future of edge and IoTAs. The IoT landscape continues to expand. Edge computing will play a critical role in enabling advanced applications. Technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning are being integrated into edge devices to support intelligent decision-making. Future homes, cities, and businesses will rely heavily on decentralized processing for efficiency, sustainability, and innovation. Edge computing is not just a trend, it is becoming the backbone of modern digital infrastructure. 13. Business implications and opportunities. Companies that adopt edge computing early gain a competitive edge in responsiveness and operational efficiency. Industries from retail to agriculture are leveraging edge-powered IoT for personalized services, supply chain optimization, and real-time analytics. Businesses can create smarter customer experiences and make faster data-driven decisions. The edge economy is expected to grow rapidly, opening new markets and job opportunities in the tech sector. 14. Developer and startup ecosystem. The rise of edge computing is also spurring innovation among developers and startups. Open-source platforms, developer kits, and cloud edge hybrid tools are making it easier to build applications that leverage both local and centralized processing. Startups are designing edge-native solutions in areas such as autonomous systems, industrial automation, and consumer electronics. This fosters a vibrant ecosystem of creativity and technological advancement. 15. Conclusion: a smarter, faster, safer future. Edge computing is changing the way we interact with data, devices, and the world around us. By bringing processing closer to the source, it enables real-time intelligence, reduces network strain, and supports critical operations. Combined with the Internet of Things, edge computing is building the foundation for smarter cities, connected industries, and better quality of life. As we move forward, expect edge technologies to become a key enabler of digital transformation across every sector. Outro. Thanks for watching this deep dive into how edge computing is powering the future of IoT. If you found this video informative, make sure to like the video to support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest in tech trends, innovations, and insights. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions about edge computing. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay informed, stay curious, and keep exploring the future of technology.